Hey everybody, hope everybody's doing well. Uh, so last time that you saw me, I was fiddling around with my laptop and my Canon T3. And what I was trying to do was to remote control it using the laptop so that I could basically shoot myself. You know, with the camera, not. I know some people probably, but anyway. Uh, so today is sort of an extension of that. Um, my technical advisor has said that if I want to get to the next level, which I do, because I am trying at this point to make professional videos and actually get paid to do them. Uh, so I needed a professional audio recorder. As a lot of you know, cameras tend to have small microphones and they tend to be low quality. So if you're going to take it up a notch, you're going to be a little more professional. You need something that captures good professional sound. And so my technical advisor recommended that I use the Zoom H1. So I picked it up yesterday, and that's what I'm using to record the sound on this video. Now, the problem with using a external audio recorder is that you have to sync up the audio with the picture so that your lips move at the same time as you're speaking, and it doesn't look like a Chinese kung fu movie from back in the 70s and the 80s. So it appears that mine's a little bit off, so just let me adjust it slightly here. Okay, let's yeah, okay. Just adjust this here, slide this over there, cut that section out there. Yeah, okay. Let's see the way pitch is this, and yeah, that seems to be working. And well, that seems to have about done it.